You are living in the world that survived a single misfire. In 1453, Ottoman artillery thundered at Constantinople's walls. But one chain shot, meant to shatter a weak point, jammed. The city's defenses held, just hours longer. That delay let Genoese reinforcements slip in, stalling the Ottoman breach. If that shot had fired clean, the city would have fallen days earlier. Orthodox Christianity's last great stronghold would have vanished in a flash. The fracture was real. Your timeline is the narrow escape. Reality almost reorganized. There are more fractures. Keep searching.